Hello guys, this is the unboxing and installing LA Noir for Nintendo Switch physical version. It's been a long time since we do some review. I got this new game LA Noir, and this is a more I've seen this one in EB Games, and yeah, what can I say about this? I think it's more like detective game, and yeah, let's see inside of it. Uh, and we get the cartridge, and then on the back side of it, it's the details of the game, and then so let's install it, and let me grab the switch. Let's install it. Oops. Oh. Again. Oops. Let's close the game and let's download it. And then there's a new update of it. And there's a we will need to, so next we need to delete some games. I think our chat, let's try for this one for a while. And it's downloading data. It says this download will pause if the software keeps software being played, uses communication features, and yeah, I think we need some time for do this one. Oh, it's gonna take a while. I think we're gonna skip this one later. Because it's gonna take a while. Yeah, maybe we're gonna wait for later. It looks like we have some progress. Like we're on 32% or 22%. Yeah, just keep it tight, and thank you for watching.
Thought it sucks, give me a big old thumbs down, and if you want more, click subscribe and click on the logo in the corner. If you have any more questions about the microphone, leave them in the comments down below. If you're interested in the microphone, or if you want to vote for the microphone that you want reviewed next,
think that's it. Let's select.
A city on the verge of greatness. A new type of city, based not on the man, but on the automobile. The car. A symbol of freedom and vitality. Where every man can own his own home, and have room to breathe, and not be overlooked by his neighbors. A city where a man's home is his castle. A quarter acre of the dream made possible by victory. A city of opportunists. A city of dreams, where Hollywood will shape the thoughts and desires of the entire planet. A city of pioneers. A city of dreamers. A city of undercurrents, where not everything is as it seems. A 20th century city that will become a model for the world. A city that has no boundaries, that will stretch as far as the eye can see. In the Marine Corps, you deal with the chain of command. Mistakes get made, but you deal with them. You know what you're fighting for, and you're on the same team. But dealing with corruption is like chasing shadows. You never know whether the guy you're talking to is on the pad, or whether it's your partner, or maybe even the watch commander. So who do you trust, Cole? I made up my mind a long time ago.
KGBL calling caller 14 Adam. 14 Adam, come in.
Go ahead, KGPL.
14 Adam, see the detective an ambulance shooting at 6th and Industrial Street. Unit 16 William requests uniformed assistance for an evidence search. 14 Adam, code 2.
Roger, 14 Adam en route.
I think that's it. Thank you for waiting for downloading. And this is Pat Gadget. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us, follow my YouTube page, and wait for my next upload. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon again. Sorry for such notice, and it's a good game, but right now it's very quiet now here. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, Pat Gadget.